Here is the open learning demo. This is Garrett Smith. Here's the main area. This is where you can see posts for every subject you're subscribed to and every person you follow. If you want to find a new subject, you can search in the search box, find subjects, and then you can either subscribe to the subject or follow people who are posting in that subject. And then you'll see all of that content in this main area. You can click on the profile of the person making the post, visit their profile, find out when they can schedule you for a lesson, what they specialize in, and how you can purchase more tutorials and lessons from them. If you decide to contact them, then it will appear in the chat down below, so you can go back later and follow up. If you want to see more posts by only the subject, you just click on the subject over here and that'll show you all the posts in that subject. If you want to create a new post, click on that plus button and that'll pop up the new dialog, new post dialog, and you can add all your images and videos and everything to that. Preview it right in the page and then post it or save it for later. If you decide to save it for later, it goes down in the studio area so you can publish it later. You can also get to the studio area by clicking on the tab down below to load the studio area and then create a new post or create learning materials for private lessons or group lessons for your students so you can sell those lessons to them. If you're interested in commenting, you can put a comment for this particular post. You want to ask a question or provide some information related to that post, you can put it there. No spam allowed on the platform, please. Next one, lessons. This is where you go when you have an appointment as a teacher or as a student. So if you want to teach on the platform, you can teach. The way to teach and to be successful is to produce good, free content that everybody wants and that attracts people to come to you, visit your profile, and ask you for lessons and more tutorials. As far as your profile goes, you can click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner, and that will allow you to create your bio, put your pictures on there, and manage any small amounts of media. Monetization comes from two sources. Lessons in the form of a payment transaction fee as a nominal fee. And the reason the fee has to remain small is so that we don't get people going off platform. We want to keep everybody on the platform. We want to keep them making the payment transaction on the platform and all the educational material on the platform. So in the lessons tab, when you have your private lesson, there will be video right in the app. If you want to save that video, you can purchase storage, which is going to be the second place for monetization. Because storage obviously is going to cost money. So we're going to try to make that storage as efficient as possible, keep it on the cloud, and then charge you a nominal fee. Now, if you don't want to have this sort of storage, you may opt to store the video on your local storage for if you're using it on one device. But if you're wanting to have it multi-device, you're going to need to have it on the cloud. So that's going to come with a fee, and some of that fee is going to help offset the cost of our cost of operations for maintaining the vast amount of storage for video that will be required for this app. In addition to that, chat is going to be video exchange enabled. And that way users can send each other videos. So if I had a lesson doing this woodworking and this carving, and I'm having trouble with it, and I'm doing my best, and I've already gone through a couple of pieces of wood, and it's not coming out right. I can make a quick video. Here's what I'm doing. I thought I was doing it right. Am I doing the technique properly? Send her a quick video, like 2 minutes long. That's not going to cost that much money because it's a short video, but it is going to cost some money, but it's going to provide a lot of value in as far as the amount of information that I can convey. Much more than I can convey with a photo, much more than I can convey with text or with an audio message, which also will be available through the chat. You want to leave an audio message for somebody? Let's say you're working on pronunciation of Welsh or German. You want to get that pronunciation to sound right, to sound native and authentic. So you practice. You make a recording. You listen to it. And you do it again. You practice and you work on your recording. You make it sound good. You send it to the teacher. And then you have a media exchange right there in chat. This is the demo for open learning where everyone is a student and anyone can be a teacher. This is Garrett Smith. Thank you for watching.